If you are a video editor and you are having the skills but you don't know how to monetize it, this video is for you. Because some people are video editors, they are having the platform and they are having a lot of audience, but they don't know how to monetize their skills. So in this video, I'm going to be walking you through the various ways that you can monetize your skills as a video editor. So first of all, you can provide your services to people and get paid for that. And that would be like, let's say somebody's having a wedding event or any event. You can tell them that, oh, I'm a video editor. I can help you to edit your videos that you have taken or the pictures that you have taken. And many people will be willing to actually give their videos and their photos out for editing. And if you do it well, they are going to recommend their friends and other people to you. So the second way you can make money as a video editor is that you can actually put your knowledge in the form of ebook and sell it to your audience, because a lot of people are going to be interested in video editing, and if they see that you are expert in that field, many people are going to be willing to buy from you to also learn like how to also start video editing. The third way that you can also actually make money as a video editor is that you can also actually do coaching and consulting. You can actually do coaching. You can do one-on-one session teaching people how to actually start video editing, and from there you're going to actually make a lot of money. So the next way you can make money as a video editor is you can actually do affiliate marketing from that. And many people will say, what am I going to be affiliated to? Because you're going to be using platforms to actually edit your videos. So you can partner with those platforms so that anytime that somebody uses that particular platform to start editing using your link, then you get a commission from there. So the other way that you can also make money as a video editor is that you can actually open, like, let's say, an exclusive community where people will subscribe to it every month, and they'll be getting exclusive perks on how you edit your videos, and from there then you make your money out of it. So there's various ways that you can actually make money as a video editor. And more to the point, you can open a YouTube channel, start creating content on the platform, and when you reach the requirement, then the platform is going to start paying you. And more to the point, you can also get brand deals. That's also another way to also make money as a video editor. You can also do brand deals. Like, you can get brand deals from software companies that are actually having like their new product out, and they want you to actually market it to your audience. Then you can partner with them to market it to your audience. And some people, they will give you premium services to try it for free, so that you give them feedback, and from there you'll be using a lot of things for free and also making a lot of money on the way. So these are some of the various ways that you can make money as a video editor. So follow my page for more money making tips like this. So bye bye for now. Peace out.